In the world of superyachts, excellence doesn't happen overnight. It's something that's developed year after year, project after project. And for more than 3 decades now, Amico Co in Genoa has been at the forefront of superyacht repair, refit, maintenance and operational support. But behind every successful project that leaves the shipyard, there's something bigger. A culture of excellence, expertise and of people that has been developed over generations.
Refit is made of people. Luckily, over 30 years, Amico has been building his own crew, his own people, growing them. The frontline people, project manager, engineers, technicians, craftsmen, but behind those people there is a structure of many more people that are supporting them and aside giving collateral services to the crew. The concierge, the operational, activities out of the shipyard time, which is important. This business is built on trust and relationship. That's why people with people. And that's the way Amico has been able, during these 30 years, to have a 90% returning client.
Way back in 1799, would you believe, when the Amico family first started repairing ships in the port city of Genoa, one of the Mediterranean's great maritime cities. The word superyacht, of course, hadn't yet been invented. But that culture of craftsmanship and competence, which was their stock in trade, is as valid today as it was then. From repair and maintenance to complex restorations and conversions, the company has evolved by continuously investing in infrastructure, technology and people. With some 30,000 square meters of docking, yard space and covered hangars, climate-controlled paint sheds and a 100-meter protected dry dock, as well as Amico, a sister yard located halfway between Genoa and Monaco, Amico Co is recognized as one of the most experienced and best-equipped refit shipyards in the Mediterranean. A reputation also founded on strong relationships with international shipyards such as Fedship, Heason and Ocean Co, to name just a few.
For us, every yacht is unique. Owners, captains know that they can rely on us to manage extremely complex projects with transparency, flexibilities and care. Refitting is a kind of alchemy. It requires numerous ingredients, and if there is the smallest imbalance in logistic, management, even the ability to find a good marble cutter, then the magic is lost.
Every refit project, whether large or small, begins with a thorough understanding of the owner's vision, the captain's operational needs and perhaps the expectations of the management company or family office, but also, of course, the technical realities of the work list. Once in the yard, project managers work as the connection point between owners, captains, contractors, suppliers and the internal departments. Whether it's a full refit, a seasonal maintenance period, or a targeted technical intervention, the objective remains the same: to provide clarity, efficiency, and confidence from the very beginning. But major refits require more than just technical knowledge. Engineering, mechanical, interiors, electronics, logistics, certification, they all require precise planning, effective communication, and the ability to resolve issues both quickly and cost-effectively.
Yacht refit is never just technical. Every yacht has a different expectation, have a different history, so our role is to guide the process, keep the client informed, and anticipate issues. What distinguishes Amico is a combination of industrial capability and artisan culture. Moreover, advanced infrastructure supports highly defined and customized work. Our internal department, like mechanics, like carpenters, preserve the attention to the detail that define the superyacht world.
Amico Co's latest initiative is Amiko Marine, a new brand that unifies its network of companies to enhance and streamline its technical and operational services in support of the superyacht sector.
Refit is an experience for clients nowadays, and clients is just not crew and captain, is yacht manager, family office, owners. Young owners sometimes get involved as well. Amiko Marine is the structure to supply all the needs of this client experience. Amiko Marine manage the facilities that allow to serve the tender, the yacht, the super yacht, and the marina is that port where the boats and the crew can have their own routine before and after the shipyard.
Amico Marine encompasses the core refit operations of Amico Co and Amico Loano, alongside the recently upgraded Gatti shipyard in Genoa's historic port area. The network also includes the 26-berth waterfront marina for superyachts up to 120 meters, as well as the Sarimi metalwork facilities and Amico Servizi and marine tools. Basically, Amico Marine consolidates more than 30 years of expertise into a single identity, bringing together refit maintenance and support services for yacht owners, but also their captains and managers. In short, Amico Marine goes beyond infrastructure to provide a complete ecosystem of specialist services which, taken together, support the whole life cycle of a yacht. The basic principle is simple and consistent. One coordinated system, one standard of quality, one owner-focused approach. Because at the end of the day, when a refit is complete and the yacht is redelivered to the owner, that marks the continuation, not the end of the relationship.
Every refit is an opportunity to follow the yacht in the present and in the future and her crew on board. Amico Marine is a trusted partner, and our client can count on our people and facilities to serve the complete fleet from 80 to 140 meters. At the same time, our long-term vision is to reinforce Genoa as a global superyacht hub.